Hello, how are you all of you? Today I am going to explain the first question of exercise 1.2 and ये जो क्वेश्चंस है बहुत इजी क्वेश्चंस है, प्रीवियस क्लासेस में हम पढ़ चुके हैं। सो मैं यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक क्वेश्चन को हल करूँगा, बाकी प्रॉब्लम्स के सोल्यूशन मैं दे दूँगा, आप लोग इजीली अंडरस्टैंड हो सकेंगे क्योंकि ये बहुत इजी क्वेश्चंस है। सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन 140 question is express each of the following number as a product of its prime factor. So first question is 140 and let's solve it. One 2 sevens are 0 as it is, and 2 threes are 6, remainder is 1, 2 fives are 10. So 5 sevens are and 7 ones are. So we can write it as 140 is equal to 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. So we can write 2 into 2 into 2 is square into 5 into 7. This is the final answer. Thank you very much. So next question is find the LCM and HCF of the following integers by the prime factorization method. This is वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन। ये जो क्वेश्चन है बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन है, इसमें से सिर्फ आई विल सॉल्व ओनली वन क्वेश्चन, अदर क्वेश्चन फॉर योर होमवर्क आप ट्राई करेंगे। अगर नहीं आते हैं तो वीडियो के एंडिंग में आई विल गिव द सोल्यूशन ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चंस। सो लेट्स सॉल्व द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। 12, 15 and 21 solve। 12 we can write 12 2 into 6 again is equal to 2 into 6 6 we can write 2 into 3, so we can write 2 into 2 2 is square into 3. Next number is 15 15 is equal to, we can write it 3 into 5 because 3 and 5 also both number are prime numbers. So next number is 21 27 we can write 3 into 7. So LCM is, we know that the definition of the LCM is product of greatest power of each prime factor, product of greatest power of each prime factor. So from this greatest prime factor we have to write, so LCM is equal to 2 square and here into 3 because 3 to the power of 1 3 to the power of 1 3 to the power of 1 5 to the power of 1 5 to the power of 1. So greatest power is 3 into 1 and 5 only 5 and 7 greatest power of 7 is only 7. So 2 2s are 4 into 3 into 5 into 7. Next 4 into 3 is equal to 12, 12 into 5 is equal to 60 and 60 into 7 is equal to 60 into 7 is equal to 420. You can check 7 is equal to 420. Now what is HCF? We know the definition of HCF is product of smallest power of each prime factor, product of smallest power of each prime factor. So smallest power of each prime factor. So HCF is 3 common number. Check first common number 3 3 3. So HCF is 3. Now going to next question. Question number 3. Check whether 6 to the power of n can end with the digit 0 for any natural number. Answer: given number is 6 to the power of n, where n belongs to capital N. It means n belongs to natural number, and prime factor of 6 to the power of n, prime factor of 6 to the power of n, we can write 3 into 2 to the power of n और 2 into 3 to the power of n. यहाँ पे एक बात याद रखिए, सिर्फ वही प्राइम फैक्टर्स ज़ीरो होते, वही प्राइम फैक्टर्स ज़ीरो होते जो 2 और 5 हो. इसके अलावा जो भी नंबर आते हैं वो ज़ीरो नहीं हो सकते हैं. सो हियर prime factor of 6 are 3 and 2. So 6 to the power of n cannot be end with the 0. If the prime factor are 2 and 5, then this number will be end with the 0. I explain again. कोई भी प्राइम फैक्टर 0 पर इंड होने के लिए प्राइम फैक्टर 2 एंड 5 होना ज़रूरी है. यहाँ पे 3 एंड 2 है, लिहाजा ये 6 टू द पावर ऑफ n कभी भी 0 पर इंड नहीं होगा. सो वी कैन राइट so 6 to the power of n can't be end with the 0. Thank you very much. Let's solve next question number 4. Explain why 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 and 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 13 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5 are composite number. We have to prove that this is a composite number. From the fundamental theorem of arithmetic, we know that any number which can be expressed as product of prime factor is composite number. Now we have to express these numbers. Now we have to express this number as product of prime factor. Let's solve it. First question. 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13. Here 13 is common. यहाँ पे 13 कॉमन है तो हम 13 को कॉमन कर लेते हैं. 13 कॉमन. 7 into 11, 13 is common, plus 13 1. 13 7 into 11 is equal to 77 plus 1. 13 into 78. Now 13, again we can write 78 in the form of 39 into 2. 13 into 39 into 2. These all are the prime factor which is in multiplication form. So This is a composite number. Now solve the second question. What is second question? Second question is 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5. Let's solve it. First write the question. 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 2 into 1 plus 5. Solution. This is 6. What is common number? Common number is 5. So common the 5 number. 5 common. Remaining terms 7 into 6 into 5 common. 4 into 2 into 1 plus 5 is common. Remainder is remaining 1. So 5 into 7 into 6 is equal to 42, and 42 into 4 is equal to 168. 168 into 2 is equal to 336. 336 into 1 is equal to 336 plus 1 as it is. So 5 into 337. 5 into 337. This is the prime factor of product of prime factor, hence proved. How will you show that 17 into 11 into 2 plus 17 into 11 into 5 is a composite number? Explain. We know that definition of composite number: any number which can be expressed as product of prime factor is a composite number. हमको प्रूफ करना है कि ये जो नंबर है प्रोडक्ट ऑफ ए प्राइम फैक्टर्स. नाउ let's solve the problem. Solve. So what is question? 17 into 11 into 2 plus 17 into 11 into 5. In those terms common number is 17 and 11. Here 17 11 and 17 11 is common. Now common this number 17 into 11. 17 and 11 is common, remainder is 2 plus as it is, and 17 and 11 is common, remainder is 5. Next 17 into 11 into 7. So 17 into 11 into 7. Now given expression is product of a prime factor. Product of a prime factor. So we can say that given number is composite number. Given number is composite number. Thank you.